This is how I set up my daughter's AAC user profile to use some Spanish words within her English profile. So first I went to her user, which is this right here. It's a test user I set up to show. And then I went to speech and language. And you can see right now, there's a manage languages in here. Currently, we only have English set up in here, but I'm going to choose Spanish. And before I can activate it, I have to pick a voice. So click on primary voice, and I selected this one.
Hola, soy Valeria.
And then you hit active, and that activates a second language in the profile. In fact, if I wanted to start being bilingual and toggle between the languages, by activating that second language, I could go down to these 4 squares and hit where it says language, and it takes me to a Spanish profile. I'm gonna go back to the English one just to show you. So then I created a folder that was going to house some Spanish words in here. Hit pencil icon. I'm just gonna do it on the home page for this. New folder, no template. I will call it Spanish. All right. Next, I'm going to go back into the Spanish language by going here. And I'm going to copy some buttons from Spanish. So let's go ahead and go into, like, let's say, feelings. I'm going to hit my pencil icon. And I'm going to select a bunch of these. All right, I'm going to hit copy and then go back to the English profile. I put that folder on the home screen, pencil icon, paste. Now you'll notice they're all back in English. That's because they're currently set up to the default language wherever they go. So on the left-hand side, while they're all still highlighted, I'm gonna scroll down here on the button settings and change the language from default to Spanish. And you'll see they've all changed to Spanish, and they're all gonna be using the Spanish voice and pronunciation.
Lastimado. Feliz. Ocupado.
So that it says it properly. Here's an example of what my daughter's Spanish folder looks like, just to show why we did this. Because she loves other languages. So I went into her language folder, and these are all the other languages of things that she watches and talks about. But then in here, I added a Spanish folder. And then I kind of have this little language inside of this folder. So it doesn't give her everything that she wants to say in Spanish. It just has the basics. And then it also has the alphabet and the numbers, because she likes to talk about those as well. So that's what I did. Just wanted to share, and this would work with other languages that are in here, like French.